practice mode. So, sa practice mode, nagyapon na siya question and choices. Pero sa practice mode, most of the time, it is an insight during an exam. Kaya ang mugawas nga question and choices is ikaw ang mo answer. Pag humanda yun, pag-answer nimo, makita din nimo kung ang imong gi-answeran is correct or wrong. So, dako kay nagtabang ni practice mode kay kusog kay ni og retention sa atong brain. I spent most of the time sa practice mode kaysa scan mode. Kay sa rason nga, sa practice mode is kusog og retention sa brain and mas ma-memorize and familiarize dayon nato ang mga questions. So, the next one is the pre-board exam mode. Sa pre-board exam mode is makita nato ni siya sa CRP, Marina CRP. So, ang pre-board exam mode sa na-try nako sa Compman and CRP is pare-pareho ra. I highly recommend taking the pre-board exam mode kay tungod para makabalo mo unsay feeling and also you have insight kung unsa gyud ang actual exam. Kaya ang pre-board exam mode kay muna na siya ang actual structure examination para sa Marina exam. So, mao to siya ang tulo nga ika-recommend nako na inyo i-take. So, first is ang scan mode. So, ang scan mode is, i-take lang ninyo siya pag scan lang ninyo ang tanan questions for memorization, familiarization, and warm-up. So, ang quick insights about the questions. And also, upon reading po by using sa scan mode is dapat inyo na lang pong subtone. Then, after that, po kamo kung inyo ba iranto ang scan mode. But from my experience, kasara ko nag-scan mode, then I proceed to practice mode. Kay sa practice mode is more on retention sa brain. For the reason that we'll be having like an actual examination and therefore mas ma-retain siya sa brain kay you will be answering every question before you can proceed. The next one is the pre-board examination. So during the pre-board examination, you will give an insight of what the actual examination feels like. Nana siya timer. So if gusto mo makabalo kung saan nasa pre-board examination or the actual examination, you can go sa Marina CRP Reviewer. So ma-access ninyo na kung na-evaluate na ang inyong application for the theoretical exam.